Guys, ito si...
Vlogger na po talaga ito, guys. Hindi na natin sabihin na anak niya. Siya na nag-vlog. Han. Kiss, Han.
Han, what's that?
Hindi kami maka-jerjer dahil mabibiyak.
Good morning, Philippines!
Of organizations like ICE. Customs protection officers are the ones posted at the country's border to stop illegal entry. Morgan says he knows many immigrants who sneak into the U.S. are trying to escape very tough conditions. We're not saying that if we were in the same position, we wouldn't try to get a better life for ourselves or our family. We're not saying that. We're just saying that the current law says if you come here illegally, there are consequences. Because if people don't like immigration laws, they have to keep fighting to change them. So then he vowed his officers will continue to support and protect the border.
For the 100 communities of the dozens of their students in this business, it's zero tolerance.
I need peace of mind to do my job.
It's about my family, my children, it's genuinely wanted.
I have a shooting notice.
You're a local business, and they might distrust.
They came here, that was most of the problem.
Be sure it will never come back. Hashtag it's illegal. Talk about that and more with Senate Judiciary Committee member Senator Tom Tillis. Senator, thanks for being here. We're thrilled to have you on tonight. Now, you have been a member of the Senate Judiciary and Senator Judge Barrett when she was nominated for the Seventh Circuit.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. And maaga kaming natulog kagabi, di ba? Almost 4 o'clock. And Tammy get up earlier than that. Allah, Han, I told you to slow down. We sleep last night early, kind of early, because we're we're tired. So now I get up 3 o'clock. So what I did, I'm going to transfer clips. Han, you have blanket, Han. You have blanket over there. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's 10 o'clock na. Kanina pa ako natulog ako. Bumalik akong natulog. And then, marami kaming mga natanggap na mga mail. Ganon. So, yun lang, guys. Itapon lang tong mga basura. Ako ba, ang daming apple kasi pagkatapos ng gathering namin kahapon ng mga kaibigan ko, yung kapitbahay namin, pumunta dito kasi inimbita ni Tami, pero hindi sila pumunta nung andito pa sila. So, pumunta sila dito nung nalaman nila na wala ng tao, ganun, nahiya ata. Andi nagdala sila ng apple. Ang ginaw. I don't know kung anong klaseng apple at to. Magdala ako kay Mira. Mag-ask ako kay Mira kung andito ba sila, kung andyan siya sa bahay nila. Pagod kagabi kasi the other night, hindi niya natutulog. Kasi 'di ba sa refrigerator inayos niya. Kawawa. Kahit may tao nagkaraoke, ganun talaga siya. Wala kasing tulog the whole night. Wala. So, ngayon, tignan natin ito yung nireplace ko. Diba, binalik ko yung couch cover. Nireplace ko siya. And, yun. Tignan natin kung... Anyway, may nagsabi pala sa inyo na matanda ako tignan sa glasses. And, may nagsabi na matanda ako tignan sa, I don't know kung anong klaseng eyeglasses. Pero, hindi ito pang look. Nagaglasses ako kasi kapag galing nag-i-edit ako. Hindi ito para pang-protect lang ito sa mata, guys. Hi, Han. Ito na, 4-seaters. Sabi pa ni Tami, bakit ito na yung in-order mo? Nakita niya yung may ito. Nakita niya to. Sabi niya, gusto ko to. Sabi ko, anong klase ba? Na meron naman ito na yung na-order natin. Hindi na tayo mag-change pa. Gustuhan niya ito. Oh. Ito yung nagustuhan niya kasi nakita niya sa picture. Look, maganda daw. Sabi ko, tropical na parang nandun tayo sa Kalasangan.
They explain life insurance is a valuable asset.
You scare everyone, damn. Ano siya sa box? Hala, Han, they like box, Han. Gustong-gusto ni Dimples yung box. Si Habs nagtatago, natakot ba? Lik-lik si Habs. Anila kasi sinira. Di marok sila. Hello. Juju. 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 How's it right there? Juju. Juju. Juju.
American people have a right to understand what took place here before they go to the polls.
Email. Here's the exact same email we got from the FBI.
Hi guys, mamaya na ako magbihis. Kasi aalis ako mamaya. Puntahan ko lang si Mera. Magluto ako pala ng bagoong. Dalhin kay Mera. 3 o'clock ako alis. 11:30. Maaga pa. Ito yung namin ni Tami. Bahay lang. Hindi mo lang bihis. Walang ligo. Si Tami, tinawagan niya yung katrabaho niya. Kasi nagtrabaho siya, diba? So ngayon, ang ginawa nila, konti lang yung binigay na oras. Yung oras ni Tami, kinuha na nila. So hindi buo yung oras. Parang nag-cheat sila ba? So tinawagan ni Tami sana masolba kasi sayang yung oras, no? Trabaho siya and then yun lang yung mangyayari. Nalagay ko na siya. Maganda naman. Pero guys, pasensya na guys, may mga cover pa rin. Kaya alam nyo naman, lalo na dito. Kasi dito sila mag-jump. At saka yung mga pusa dito. Mahilig. So, it is the sweetest I need to work with. Tell me why. Okay na. Ito guys, si tomato. Okay, maraming tomato. Yan, dapat talaga tomato at saka si bell pepper yun. Style na iba brown. Yan. Oh, Han, it smells bagoong eh. Oh, ano, musta? Ha? Hello guys, nagpapanik si Tommy. Nagpapanik kami dahil ano, si Lloydie darating at saka si Mark. And then nagpapanik, sabi pa ni Tommy, oh, ano ako, maligo ako. And then ako, magbihis ako. Yeah, because nagulat ako. So, natawa na lang kami sa aming dalawa kasi na ano kami, nagpapanik. Oh, magbihis ako. Si Tommy, oh, ligo. Ay, natawa lang ako. Natawa lang kami sa ginagawa. And also, I'm cooking rice. So, there's a soupy. Thank you for letting me go, ha? You don't let me go. Usually, you just tell me, stay home, ha?
Face rings a bell.
Han English, please. I don't understand.
Here's a story about the Hunchback in Notre Dame.
What?
You know what a Hunchback in Notre Dame was? He walked around with a hunch. And he used to ring the big bell in the tower, the church tower.
Okay.
And he was for years, and he wanted a vacation.
And
So the church says, well, you know, you're obviously you're entitled to a vacation, but who's going to take care of the bell while you're? He goes, I'll interview people for you. So a bunch of people come, and like you're too weak, they're not strong enough to ring the bell. It's like that. And then one guy comes and he's got no arms. And he says, how are you possibly going to ring the bell? You got no arms. So the guy says, I'll show you. And he runs and he slams up, hits the bell with his face, and rings the bell.
yeah,
Then he falls down in the tower.
yeah.
And people said, do anybody know who this guy is? The church member comes down and says, I don't know, but his face rings a bell.
His face rings a bell, but he died.
That was a joke, huh? It was all a joke.
Oh my God, my husband have a lot of story, old story. Sometimes hindi ko talaga magets ito asawa ko guys kasi he has some story that it's like ungetsable. Ungetsable. You won't know what he's
Untellable.
Untellable. Ungetsable.
No, untellable means you can't tell it.
Yeah, untellable.
That's not what you're trying to say. I'm not sure what you're trying to say. Unvegetable.
Ungets like you cannot get it. So ungetsable.
Incomprehensible.
Incomprehensible. So naghintay lang kami kay Lloydie at Mark. So it's traffic. Hindi ko na sila nilalabas guys kasi madami-dami din ito. And then sa gabal na kinabuhi ba. Dito na kami guys. Doon si Mera. Hi Mera. Hi Max. Hi Milo.
Oh, so cute.
Hi. Hi baby. Hi baby.
Bye, Milo. Max, go put your shoes on.
Max your shoes.
Max.
Plato.
Hello.
Magkunta-kugas mo ito sa taas.
Okay ra.
Huwag ko maghindo dito.
Okay ra.
Maxi, say hi.
Hi.
Ito yung niloto ko kanina guys.
Ang agaw mo nagluto yan.
At saka ito. Para naman ito. Gusto ko tong isda. Lagi ano ganun nito ba? Hoy, na-enjoy kami do. Grabe.
Sabi ko, sus, nakulangan ako sa baili. Uy, napunta ko sa ibang lungsod.
Hala, ang sarap naman yan.
Grabe ito yung enjoy talaga, promise kahapon.
Sabi ko,
Nag-ano kami, yung papataasan ng score.
sa akin 71 lang.
Tapos andun si Mark, si Kuya,
Si Jay.
Ay, turuan na lang kita. Sa ano, mag-phone call tayo, video call. Easy lang man. I-type mo na lang yan, pick monkey.
Pick monkey.
Yung video, i-stop mo and then screenshot.
Mag-screenshot.
And then,
pag nag-screenshot ka,
paano
gusto mong turuan kita.
o sige, screenshot. O sige. Screenshot.
Okay, guys, ito si...
Vlogger na po talaga ito, guys. Hindi na natin sabihin na anak niya. Siya na lang yung vlog.
Ako taga-edit kasi. Dami man trabaho ni Uy.
Kasi dapat lalabas yun dito sa gilid.
Sa gilid.
Hindi siya lumalabas.
Video.
So, just get, na-drop ko na, umalis kami kay Mira. Hindi na-drop ko na rin si Lloydie. So, ngayon, pa-uwi na ako. And then, nagkuha lang ako ng gas kanina kasi muntik, malapit na palang walang gas. As in, almost empty na pala itong sasakyan ko. So, ang nangyari, nag-stop ako doon. Tinex ako naman ni Tami. Sabi pa niya sa akin. Tinex ako niya, sabi, Han, can you stop at Walgreens or CVS? Mag-stop pa daw ako doon, pero kasi magpabili daw siya ng ano, ito oh, battery. Dalawa yung binili ko. Mahal pa yung battery. 599 yung isang battery, ang mahal. And yun, so umalis na ako sa ano, ngayon kakaalis lang ako CVS. Sabi niya wag-stop CVS kasi sabi pa niya yung battery daw niya is ano, sa sasakyan niya. Kasi battery itong mga car key namin guys. Ito yung mga battery ng mga car keys na mga hindi nasusi ng laman yung battery kapag lubat na yung battery. Hindi maandar yung sasakyan. Sabi ko bibili din ako. Sabi ko hindi ko alam yung battery number. Ayaw niya ma-open. Ang hirap daw i-open ng car key ko ito. Mahirap daw. Yung sa kanya is easy lang i-open. Ganun, slide lang. Yung sa akin, mahirap daw. Your dogs is going crazy.
Yeah. I tried to bring him in with me. They didn't want to come in, so I said, screw it, leave my back.
Okay, let me go.
I'm doing too much crap here.
Huh?
I'm doing too much crap.
Yeah guys, naglalaba yung asawa ko pagdating. He's washing laundry. Hi laundry boy. Ay, ginoo ko. Aray. Parang hindi ako nakita. Parang hindi ako nakita ng ilang taon. Aray. Sit down. No. Sit. You sit, Misty, sit. Sit down. Sit. Roxy, sit. Good girl. Sit down. No, sit. Sit. You sit. Roxy, sit. Good girl. Good girl. You sit like that. Sit. Sit. You sit. No. Good girl. Misty, sit. Sit, Misty. Sit. Okay, sit. Sit. You sit down. No. Sit. Misty, sit up. Good girl. Sit up like that. Sit up. You too, Roxy. Come here. Sit. You sit up first. You sit up. Come here. Come here like that. Like you never see Mama. Like you never see me. How much if you don't see me for a month? Huh? How much if you don't see me for a month? Ano ginawa ko? And what if they don't see me for a month? Why not all?
Because I left some in the garage are easy for you. You don't have to go downstairs again. I left a couple of bottles and a couple of cases. I put like 8 cases downstairs and 4 bottles. And I put all those 4 boxes or 5 boxes you left in the garage.
What boxes?
The boxes that you brought from the resale that you left in the front garage. Put those. All the boxes that were in my car, those. The big projector, brought that.
Where did you put it?
In the basement. The pressure washer, brought that. Did laundry. Hung the gun rack, put the guns. In case you thought I was doing nothing on while you were gone.
Hello guys, kakain lang kami kasi si Tami gustong kumain. She said, "Hon, let's eat. Please don't be in your laptop. Let's eat." Such a baby. What do you want here, honey?
Just gave them all day.
He's been eating all day. And I'm sorry, hon. So kahit busog ako, I have to eat.
You don't have to eat. You can sit there and I'm hungry. I'm not eating. Head by the hair.
And
Moving is good.
kiss Han.
And what's that?
What did you call me, Screwball? Honey, I'm not a ball, and I'm Screw. Oh my God. Kain lang kami. Kain
All I know, guys, is the Americans beat them at karaoke.
So yesterday, guys, Tommy.
Really not good.
So Tommy yesterday said that
They're gonna go on.
the American have a good singing voice.
I didn't say that. I said they beat you at karaoke.
Because
I said you're gonna go on Philippines Got Talent, and they'll be on stage, and you'll be in the audience.
Because yesterday the karaoke was so fun because we end up like just doing a score, who's the highest score. So all the Americans, the guys are singing, except Tommy, he doesn't want to sing. So Mark, Rich, Jay, they're singing, and then they're like, oh my God, it's like a contest who has a like a higher score. So but it was fun. Even Lloyd and she said they're having fun.
I can see that. Everybody had more fun once they saw the score on it.
Hello guys, tapos na kaming kumain. So ngayon, sabi pa niya, nag-i-edit ako ng video, naghanap din ako ng clip. I was looking clips in my film, in my thing. You know? Mirror, mirror on the wall. Oh my God, it's really dirty. It should be on top of this because this one is dirty. It should be on top of this.
You're in the center
I
now?
put in the center here.
Okay, 57 inches.
57. And yeah, kailangan lang namin ipot itong glass. Kasi si Tommy gusto nang mag-jerjer. Hindi kami maka-jerjer dahil mabibiak. Mabibiak yung mirror. Kasi nasa ilalim ng bed. Mag-jerjer ka. Kaya kahit gabi na, ilagay talaga. Joke lang yun guys ha. Kailangan ko lang kayong patawanin. Gusto ko lang kayong tumawa. So, yeah, I don't know. Sabi ko, bakit ngayon na gabi na, manunood tayo ng show na pinapanood natin, and then gabi na muna siya gagawin. Kanina, mayroon tayong time, hindi mo siya ginawa. Naisip ko, gusto ata ito magpa-dirjir. Pa-dirjir. Oh, there you go. That's the best part.
Oh yeah, okay. This is the best part. Now find 57 inches away from that. Let's see.
Do you love me?
Thank you.
Kiki.
That's good. You break my top on everything. Everything.
Kiki, do you love me?
Yes.
Kiki, do you love me? Why don't you? Do you? Hey, he doesn't know I love him so much. And if he cheat, I will cut his and I'm still gonna love him.
Yeah, I don't think I would like you that much after that.
How you won't like me after that?
No.
Count properly. He said if I cut his palulay, hindi na daw niya ako magustuhan. Honey, are you sure, Han? I will be the woman that will love you forever. He's so good looking. I won't hurt him. I won't hurt him. I don't care if he's going to hurt me. And I know he won't hurt me.
Me too. This is gonna be strong as a hold.
Yeah.
Why would you show?
I'm sure that's... No, they're the same height.
Seriously, hon?
Oh, honey, don't just...
Because what do I say this for? You know, I can't make this stuff up for some reason.
Sometimes I don't think you're...
And we gotta find height. Make sure we screw it in the right height. It'll sit too well.
Allah, it doesn't look like... Push it over there. Don't put under because it will break.
I'm not putting weight on it.
Yes, you did.
Oh, you go that way.
Okay, go.
Can you get your on that hook?
Okay. na siya, guys. Nalagay na natin. Maganda na siya. Pero, kailangan siyang additional tawag nito, hold. Ito yung problema ko, guys, oh. Apundok na. Ang dami. May mga bra pa tayo pala dito. Mag-arrange lang ako, guys. I-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, ha. As in, thank you. Salamat sa panonood ng mga videos. And yun, I will see you guys na lang tomorrow. So yun, I will see you tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Bye, see you tomorrow. Asan ba yun? See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye. Good night. Good night, guys. Bye-bye.